I have a new item to show you that I just found that I'm pretty excited about. Let's take a look at the box it came in. It is by this company here. That's the name of the company. It is an LED color changing mood light. The light does come with a remote control, which is very, very nice, and all the different things that you have the on-off button, and then you can control the color of the light, the speed of the light, if you want it color changing, or if you just want it plain white. You can do that with this remote. Pretty sure that this charges up. See how it lifts off the base? I believe that this charges this. So if later you want to go ahead and say you're having a party and you want to put it in the middle of the dining table where it's not attached to a cord, then you can do that. You can also see here the name of the company, and that's a little on-off power. So yes, definitely this is charges up with a USB. Okay, so we got the remote. Let's try it out. I'm going to hit it on. Oh, wow. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. Wow. Oh, wow. Now it's pretty bright in this room. If this was a darker room, this would be even more spectacular. I really like it. It's got some kind of like a design or texture underneath so that it's not just like a plain frosted white globe. It's got, yeah. Overall, this is a gorgeous light, and I'm very excited and happy that I got it, and yes, I love it. Well, that's it for my review of this LED color changing mood light. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.